Honda Japan plans to release the CB400 with the latest four-cylinder engine. Reportedly, there will be two models that will launch next year. Quoted from Young Machine, there is a new leak about the motorbike that will be the successor to the CB400 Super Four. The freshest change is in the engine, a completely new 400 cubic centimeters four-cylinder. This new engine replaces the legendary engine installed on the CB400 Super Four, which has been used since 1986. The hope is that with the new one, it can pass emissions tests for decades to come. New information has come in regarding the new four-cylinder 400 cubic centimeters motorbike that is being developed by Honda. As previously reported, there are two versions in development, a full-cowl version and a naked version. The design appears to be the legitimate successor to the CB400 Super Four. Honda's new 400 cubic centimeters four-cylinder naked motorbike, which will replace the CB400 SF, which will be discontinued in 2022, uses an inline four-cylinder engine, which is the biggest attraction, being a completely new design, as expected. With the old CB400 series engine originating from the 1986 CBR400R, it is difficult to provide environmentally friendly performance for the next 10 years, let alone Euro 5 at this time. What's even more interesting is the exterior design. Until now, there is no information about this, and Young Machine optimistically estimates that it will look like the CBX400F. However, new information reveals that development of Honda's new 400 naked four-cylinder engine is moving in a direction that will inherit the design of the CB400 Super Four. The release date for this new 400 cubic centimeters naked four-cylinder is still in flux, but current information suggests that it is targeted for fall 2025, and as previously reported, will most likely be produced in China. There are also rumors it will be released locally, but we haven't been able to find confirmation of this, so we'll continue to investigate further.